If you need to share an Excel document through OneDrive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to move your file into OneDrive and share it with other people in just a few steps. This is a super useful method if you want to collaborate on a spreadsheet, send someone a file without attaching it to an email, or make sure everyone always has access to the latest version. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel and open the document you want to share. If the file is already on your computer, that's perfect. If it's a new spreadsheet, you can use that too. The important thing is that the document is open and ready to be saved to OneDrive. Now, go up to the top left corner and click File. From the menu, choose Save As. This step is important because your Excel file needs to be stored in OneDrive before you can easily share it with others through the cloud. After clicking Save As, you'll see different locations where you can save the file. Select OneDrive as the save location. If you're not signed in yet, Excel may ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Go ahead and complete that step if needed. Once OneDrive appears as an option, choose the folder where you want to store the file. You can use a general folder or create a specific one if you want to stay organized. After selecting OneDrive, click Save. Excel will upload the file to your OneDrive account. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this may take a few seconds. Once the save is complete, your document is now available online, which means you can share it much more easily than before. Next, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser if it doesn't open automatically. You can go to the OneDrive website and log in with the same Microsoft account you used in Excel. Once you're inside OneDrive, navigate to the folder where the Excel file was saved. This helps you find the exact document you want to share. Now click on the file to select it. When the file is selected, look for the Share option. This is the button that lets you send access to other people. Click Share, and OneDrive will open a sharing window with several options. At this point, you have two main ways to share the file. You can enter email addresses directly, or you can create a shareable link. If you want to share with specific people, type in their email addresses. If you want to send the file through chat, email, or another platform, click Copy Link instead. That gives you a link you can paste anywhere. Before you send it, make sure to choose the right permissions. You'll usually see options like Can Edit or Can View. If you want someone to make changes to the spreadsheet, choose Can Edit. If you only want them to look at it without changing anything, choose Can View. Picking the right permission is really important, especially if you're working on a shared business file or an important report. Once your permissions are set, click Send if you entered email addresses. If you copied the link, just paste it wherever you want to share it. The person you send it to will be able to open the Excel file from OneDrive based on the permission you selected. And that's it. Your Excel document is now saved in OneDrive and shared with others. This is one of the easiest ways to collaborate on spreadsheets, track changes, and keep everything in one place online. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step Microsoft Office tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.